So in this Wealthsimple Trade tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a referral code in Wealthsimple Trade here inside the Wealthsimple Trade mobile application. So once you have the Wealthsimple Trade app open up on your device, next thing I want you to do is go to the far right here to where the profile tab is and press on the profile tab. Then once you're here, I want you to go all the way down to where it says settings. Scroll all the way down right here to where it says rewards. I want you to press on the rewards option right here where it says refer friends and earn rewards. Press on rewards right here. When you open up this screen, you have this option right here to where it says invite friends. So if you invite a friend to sign up for Wealthsimple Trade using this link, it'll actually refer your friend, give them a bonus. It'll also give you a bonus as well and add it to your account. So basically, that is how you guys can invite friends, earn some cash here in Wealthsimple Trade by giving them a referral code. I hope this video helps.